Fula mobile app is an app that delivers fuel and other necessities at your fingertips. The app was founded by CEO Lubabalo Nochiwa and has partnered with Anele Mdota. Fula Mobile is committing to becoming a fully electric zero-emission platform by 2040, with 100% of delivering fuel, which will take place in zero-emission vehicles on public transit or the micro-mobility. Well, for more on this app, we're joined by the CEO, Lubabalo Nochiwa. Good morning. Welcome to Morning Live.
Good morning. Thank you.
Talk to us about this app. What is the inspiration behind it? What did you see in the market that necessitated for you to develop an app of this nature?
In the on-demand space, you have a lot of apps that cater for food deliveries and, a supermarket delivery. And we just felt that there's a space within the forecourts or your garages where it hasn't evolved to embrace technology. And we just felt that, opening up that space for on-demand would be welcomed by the market.
Mm-hmm. In terms of the app, how does it work? Take us through that process.
So basically, you download the app from your Apple Store or Play Store, and you register yourself. It locates where you are, and you're able to pick a garage near you, and you buy the fuel or whatever else that's at the convenience store.
Mm-hmm. So it doesn't bring the fuel to you?
It actually brings the fuel to you. So you go into the app and you actually select the garage that you want to buy the fuel from, which will be on your 4 or 5 kilometer radius.
Yeah.
And the service comes to you. The fuel or the oil, or you want to pump your tires, the gentleman will come to you and pump and give you all that service.
Mm-hmm. What has been the response to the app?
Well, the market has been very excited to a point that, initially we built the app for the forecourts or your garages. Because of the convenience and the ease of use of the app, we've now actually allowed restaurants to actually put the outlets in there. So the response has been amazing.
Mm-hmm. Speak to us about how the transportation of the fuel to the consumers.
So the transportation of the fuel is done by many electric vehicles. They are fitted with tanks that obviously have the fuel in it. And when you request the service agent fills up at the closest garage that you filled up at, which is a fuel outlet, and they bring it to you in an electric vehicle. Mm. And obviously, they also observe COVID protocols in the process.
Now, you've committed to zero-emission platform by 2040. Talk to us about this.
Look, the fuel industry is at odds with, getting, their fuel emissions down. And, by using electric vehicles, we're trying to meet that gap and partnering with fuel businesses to actually get to that goal.
Mm-hmm. Now, you've partnered with Anele Mdota. Talk to us about her role in this.
Well, Anele Mdota is basically a fueler champion. She's one of the first people to have been very excited with the idea. And she's basically taking us through a channel where we are able to take fuel out there to the consumer.
I want to talk about this name, Fula. How did you come about with it?
Well, it's a very funny story. I was sitting and watching TV, and while I was going through the process of building the app, we went through a couple of names, and I just thought, between my name and getting full and getting filled up, the name came up.
Yeah. All right, Lubabalo,
Yes.
Thank you so much for talking to us. A very interesting app there. He's the CEO of Fula Mobile app speaking to us. His name is Lubabalo Nochiwa, on the first step that is set to deliver fuel wherever your vehicle is.